In this video, Bitcoin is trying to break from this massive resistance, and right now we are going to understand what is next for Bitcoin both in the short term as well as in the long term. Well, stay tuned to know more.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo.
So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And yeah, if napansin nyo, bago yung ating intro video for today, and that will be our intro video moving forward, just to add a bit of more fun lang para dito sa ating mga videos, para hindi naman medyo boring, and kahit pa paano meron namang iba't ibang ganap. And yeah, hopefully in the next videos, we'll try to make our videos as fun as possible, and then we'll try to make it as engaging as much as possible within the coming months. And of course, we want to have fun with our audience talaga. So moving forward, we'll try to make our videos more engaging dito on YouTube. Not only on YouTube, but as well as on Facebook, Telegram, Discord, and we might soon move into TikTok. But yeah, I'll let you know guys regarding those updates if let's say we are going to move into different platforms. Not actually move, but more of expand. And hopefully it would make our community more engaging para if ever na may mga meetup tayo, pwede kayo makisali always. And hopefully we get to meet you guys very soon. But anyway, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this massive resistance within the 4-hour time frame. But as you can see, this is not only in the 4-hour, you can see this in the hourly as well as within the shorter time frames. As you can see, we are seeing that massive resistance dito with the Bitcoin price between the 21,500 up until the 22,800 or 22,600. Previously, we've been seeing a massive resistance within those line, and right now we are actually trying to break to the upside. So this is actually a good sign na we are seeing na we are trying to break to the upside. Now, there are a lot of things na you have to monitor dito kasi right now we are trying to break, though volume is not as much as big as what we have seen sa mga previous movement. So siguro just a warning lang kasi as you can see, for me nakukulangan ako sa volume during this breakout. So movements like this na walang buy volume can actually lead into a fake out. So if let's say you are in a long position, then as much as possible, set a stop loss just below the support dito kay Bitcoin price action. Now, there are 3 ways on how we are going to look at this. Number 1 is in the hourly, number 2 is in the 4-hour time frame, and number 3 is via logarithmic growth curve. So let's try to dive in dito sa hourly time frame muna. Kasi if you're going to look at this in the hourly, we are actually seeing a potential sign of a bearish reversal. And as you can see, the price is increasing while the RSI is declining. So those are traditional signs of a bearish trend reversal to the downside. So right now, if this is going to play out, then what we have to monitor is this support area right now with the Bitcoin price around the 22.9K. And right now, I am going to monitor that area kasi that could be a potential opportunity for us to short. And actually, right now, I've been trying to short this. Unfortunately, hindi maganda yung pag-open ng mga short position ko na hit yung stop loss palagi. But yeah, right now, we are just going to take advantage of this very short bearish divergence within the hourly time frame. So right now, that is what I am going to monitor for the time being. And if ever na let's say this is going to play out, I might open a long position dito, diba? Mag-short position, mag-hit yung aking take profit area for my short position. In this case, mag-open na ako ngayon ng panibagong long position once we hit this area of around the 22.9K or 22.8K. And then from there on, we can actually somehow expect a bounce dito kay Bitcoin price action. Now, if you are going to follow this within the 4-hour time frame, this is actually much clearer kasi if let's say we are going to see a retest dito, then that could be potential move for us to go to the upside. So in that case, I might open a long position once we hit this 22.9K. Mag-set lang ako ng stop loss siguro around the 22.5K. And then in that case, we are going to monitor this next move. So to understand what's the next move for Bitcoin, we are going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the lowest low. And as you can see, we are actually seeing a Fibonacci support and resistance area between the 22,500, which is binanggit natin kanina na stop loss area, up until the 24,700. So right now, we are actually seeing a potential support and resistance between the 24.7 and between the $22,500. So right now, those are the crucial areas that we are going to monitor within the 4-hour time frame. It's the 22.5K as well as the 24.7K kasi those are going to be the areas that we are going to target. So once we actually started going down dito kay Bitcoin, we can actually open a long position, set a stop loss, and then take profit area would be next around the $24,700. So right now, that is what I'm going to monitor with Bitcoin. And take note, if di pa kayo marunong mag-long or short Bitcoin, you can actually check out this video, itong tutorial video, which is leverage and trading step-by-step tutorial on BYBIT. You can actually check out this, guys, in the description down below. And if wala pa kayong account sa BYBIT, you can actually create an account with BYBIT by signing up with my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. But anyway, that is for the 4-hour time frame. Let's now dive in within the logarithmic growth curve, which is following this in the weekly time frame. And para sa mga hindi nakaalam, logarithmic growth curve is a data model na which we have been following for the past few months na, or actually for the past year. And as you can see, diba, we have been playing within this lower regression band area for quite of time na. But ito yung maganda tingnan dito ngayon with the Bitcoin price action. If you're going to look at this, we are actually trying to see a movement dito up until the next resistance area. And as you can see, if we're going to zoom in within our logarithmic growth curve, we are seeing a potential resistance area around the $25,000. So right now, it's actually telling us na we have a massive resistance sa ating logarithmic growth curve around the $25,000. So I think what can happen within the next few weeks and next few months dito kay Bitcoin is actually for us to actually move dito. We are going to see a relief rally, and then we are just going to get rejected, and then we are going to further consolidate dito sa ating logarithmic growth curve. In that case, we can actually see a somewhat na upward trend, but it's not as big as what we're going to see from the previous movements. I think this is going to be more of a consolidation area, one similar with what we've seen dito sa mga previous movements na yan. I think we are going to imitate those previous consolidation phases dito kay Bitcoin. In that case, we are going to expect longer consolidation for the time being dito kay Bitcoin. Though we can actually take advantage of these pumps and dump movement na nakita natin kay Bitcoin for those consolidation area. But generally, in the next few weeks and next few months, we are going to see a somewhat of an uptrend, but it's more of a consolidation rather than a bull market. Unlike sa mga nakita natin sa mga previous movements, I think this is just a part of the cycle now which we are going to see somewhat of a longer consolidation for the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, time is on our side, and that is a very good investment opportunity for the long term. And I don't know kung ilang beses ko sabihin sa inyo, bull markets can make you money, but bear markets can make you rich. As much as possible, take advantage of the season na bagsak yung ating buong crypto market. And I would be buying and stocking more Bitcoin and Ethereum for the long term. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.